Today, we're going to be reviewing the Outre Perfect Hairline Lace Wig Dominica. This is a 22-inch version, so this wig comes in 16 inches and 22 inches. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is how the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. So the little card tells you the different features of the wig. It is glueless wear. It's got 13 by 6 HG lace at the front. That means that you can part it anywhere at the front. It also comes in a different variety of colors. So today we've got the color 2. This is my preferred color of wig. So you can see here it's got the glueless band at the back, as well as a comb at the back and 2 combs on the sides. I have worn this wig before, so you can see that I have already stained my lace brown. So let's go ahead and try it on. It's really easy to put on because it's glueless. You just do that. And you can adjust the front to suit what you would like. So what I usually prefer with this wig, because it's a very thick and voluminous wig, I do like to pin the front down just so it doesn't go in my face too much. So this is what it looks like when you wear it straight away, and the sides look like this, and the back is super curly and super cute too. So I'm going to go ahead and pin mine down at the front. So I like to leave a little bit of hair just hanging down because I think that looks cute, and I pin the rest down. It also makes it feel a bit more secure because even though I've got the combs, I also like to use pins. And that's what it looks like pinned down. Let me know if you like this unit, and I also have it on sale at my website thebraidbesties.com.au if you live in Australia or New Zealand. Thanks for watching, and you can follow me for more videos like this.